FAQs about Pachycormus discolor. As an avid plant enthusiast, I've found myself drawn to the intriguing world of Pachycormus discolor, a unique and fascinating species with much to offer. From its captivating appearance to its care requirements, here's a detailed FAQ about Pachycormus discolor that covers everything from its bonsai potential to propagation tips. What is Pachycormus discolor? Pachycormus discolor is a succulent tree native to the arid regions of northern Mexico. It belongs to the family Pachycormaceae and is known for its striking, thickened trunk and branches covered in a waxy coating. This plant is often admired for its robust appearance and resilience, making it a popular choice among collectors and gardeners alike. How to care for Pachycormus discolor. Caring for Pachycormus discolor requires attention to its specific needs. This succulent thrives in well-draining soil, typically a cactus or succulent mix. It prefers bright, indirect sunlight but can tolerate some direct sun exposure. Watering should be done sparingly. Let the soil dry out completely between waterings to prevent root rot. In winter, reduce watering even further as the plant goes dormant during this period. Fertilize sparingly with a balanced cactus fertilizer during the growing season, usually spring and summer. Pachycormus discolor bonsai. The Pachycormus discolor makes an excellent bonsai subject due to its unique trunk and branch structure. To cultivate it as a bonsai, start by selecting a young plant and pruning it regularly to maintain its shape. The thick trunk and interesting branching patterns provide a striking visual appeal, making it a standout piece in any bonsai collection. Be sure to use a bonsai pot with good drainage and provide a suitable bonsai soil mix to ensure healthy growth. Pachycormus discolor propagation. Propagation of Pachycormus discolor can be achieved through seeds or cuttings. To propagate from seeds, sow them in a well-draining soil mix and keep them in a warm, bright location. Seeds can take several weeks to germinate, so patience is key. For propagation through cuttings, take a healthy cutting from a mature plant and let it callus over for a few days before planting it in a cactus mix. Water sparingly until new growth appears. Both methods require careful attention to ensure success. Pachycormus discolor seed. Obtaining Pachycormus discolor seeds can be a bit challenging. Look for reputable sources online or through specialty plant nurseries. Once you have the seeds, sow them in a well-draining mix and keep them in a warm, sunny spot. Regular misting can help maintain the moisture level needed for germination. Pachycormus discolor flowers. One of the most captivating aspects of Pachycormus discolor is its flowering period. The plant produces small, inconspicuous flowers that are often overlooked due to the plant's more prominent features. The flowers typically bloom in late spring or early summer and are not the primary attraction of the plant, but they add a subtle charm to its overall appeal. Pachycormus discolor var violaceus. The var violaceus is a particular variety of Pachycormus discolor that is distinguished by its striking purple hues. This variety retains the characteristic thick trunk and waxy coating, but adds an extra layer of visual interest with its color. It's a sought-after variant for those looking to add something unique to their collection. What to plant with Pachycormus discolor? Pachycormus discolor pairs well with other succulents and drought-tolerant plants. Consider planting it alongside other cacti or succulents like agave, aloe, or euphorbia for a cohesive desert-themed garden. Its unique appearance complements a variety of textures and forms, making it a versatile addition to mixed plantings. Pachycormus discolor for sale. If you're looking to purchase Pachycormus discolor, check with specialty plant nurseries or online retailers that focus on exotic or rare plants. Availability can vary, so it might be worth contacting multiple sources or joining plant enthusiast groups for potential leads on where to find this captivating plant. Final thoughts. Pachycormus discolor is a remarkable plant with unique features that make it a prized addition to any collection. Whether you're considering it for a bonsai project, propagating it from seed, or simply looking for a striking plant to complement your garden, understanding its care and characteristics will help you appreciate its full potential. With the right attention, Pachycormus discolor can thrive and add a touch of desert elegance to your plant collection.